encapsulate on the top of the gel colors. So then when they come back, you just take off the layer of the top of the gel polish and then the designs, and you can move on to the next one. Like if you're doing liquid powder and then clear cap on it, then you have to remove completely one layer of it. So it's however it works for you and is the techniques that you're using with clients. Just another great option. Here you go. So, oh, I'm sorry. I need that. After I apply one layer generous of condensed glue gels, I am going to using my blast of colors. So I'm using my gel brush that I just apply my glue gels and gently pick up some. I freaking love this because you know why? Because it's give it the best sparkle and shiny face. Because with this, if you mix it in the powder, is great as well. But if you pick them up like this, you got whole entire totally control of it because you want to lay them flat. When they're flat, they lay on the nails is usually it give a best sparkle. I'm gonna try to get some little one right here, and then I'm doing it like have a more of solids glitter here. And then I'm gonna go toward to the end, and I'm doing it light, a little bit lighter. You can do it from the cuticles down, or you can do it from the free edges and toward. So however ombre you wanna do it. I'm gonna tap it down just a little bit to give you a little bit hands down. So you can either do this, and then you can see some of the video before I did for liquid and powders. Either way it works. I'm so in love with this. You want more? Add some more in. Just better like that if I keep it flat. And for all of you who have a question to how clean the brush, it's really easy. What you need to do is just, oh, looks so beautiful. Okay, if I'm happy with this, yes, the St. Patrick vibes. Miss Beautiful, thank you so much, sweetie. Thank you so much. All right, so if you're happy with this, pop this guy into the lamp for about 60 seconds, and then after that, we'll put another layer of the condensed glue gels, and we can, oh, you know what? I am going to do some freaking thing. Let me do something. Let's see if I can do this. Just a little bit. I don't plan to do this one in here. Can, if you want to, just a little bit. I just want this guy. Looks cute. You like it? I put the green on it. The darker green on the top of mine, the green. If you want more in here, you can. I still don't want to pick this big guys, but I already have it already in there, so I'm not going to take it off. Let's pick a little one. Just a little hint. Don't want too much. Here I have a yellow. You can mix it yellow. That's it. I don't want the big one. I just want a little one. Great. If you want that and you're happy with this, and then now you pop in the lamp. So you can do it with or without, okay? It's really, it's up to you. In the lamp for about 60 seconds. You see how easy it is? Like, if the clients love crystal, not which is we did it like the nails before, but if the clients easy to clean, wipe up your brush and cap on. You don't want to use this and clean with alcohol and acetone because it's gonna ruin your hair of the brush. So just wipe it off and cap on. We did really good today. We did like 3 nails already. And the next one, we're gonna do some of really cool is Blossom gels. So excited. Can I get the condensed glue gels? I am gonna pull my condensed, and also it's reverse. You can do exact the same look that I did, or you can get the yellow nails, which is a gold nail or whatever. You can using a blast of colors in green. Again, if you get set up a blast of color, it will take care of you for whole entire year. You freaking have like 12 colors to work with. Like, I'm literally so in love with this. Like, it's so excited when the clients come. What new did you get, Nancy? I poured out. They said, oh my God, it take care of us for whole entire year because we have every colors of all different seasons that you need it. So you don't have to worry about if you don't have any glitter or you have to looking for. Pick up more condensed glue gel. I am so in love with this because it's so thick density. So when I encapsulating, it's freaking stay for so long until next time the client's coming back. And I am going to brush. I give a little bit more stroke because my condensed glue gel that I apply on is gonna go in any gap and edges of like the glitter, because the glitter I play them really nice and flat, but also when I give it the stroke like this, will give it completely caps my glitter in one place. Great, I think I got it good. That's funny. And then I am going to using no wipe top coat and floating on the top of my glitter, which is the condensed glue gel on the top of glitter. And do not just drag it, just let it float on the top. Oh, here's the tip and trick I would like to share with everyone. So the layer, remember the layer before that I did it, do it thin. Don't do it too thick. If you do it too thick and you don't key it properly, it's too thick, so it's gonna peel off. The same with any gel polish, that if you do it too thick, it's gonna peel off. So thin coat is gonna go a long way. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Hey, Tina Max, Nancy, have you tried putting a star on the top of each other? Give a real cool effects. Like this. Like Tinamax, it like this. You put this on the top. Can you clean this one, please? Something is stuck in the tip of my crystal picker. This one, you mean like that? Give them like crisscross like this, you mean? It looks freaking cool though, okay? Great idea. Is that what you mean, Tinamax? I will try the next live video. Thank you, AC Nails. So sparkly. Is that what you mean? Is that right, Tinamax? Hey, chị Nico, how are you, chị? Great, so I finished this one. It looks really stunning and it stays nice and flat. Looks great. I can't wait to see you in ABS.